Ms. Green pulls fire alarm.
Stop that, you stupid children. Thank you. So I was saying,
we have a new student. His name is Scott.
welcome to Plotagon School.
Scott.
Wow. Plotagon School is a cool school.
Have you seen this cool game called Plotagon? What is that game?
Oh. It's like Plotagon City, and you can create your own custom movies. Let us know in the comments.
Okay. Please, have a seat.
Okay.
Why are you so nice to Scott but not us?
Because you are all stupid.
I am going to tell the principal for talking back to me. See ya. Come on, think. Aha! Now I understand. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Oh no, I'm going to be in so much trouble. I wonder what the teacher's doing. Oh no, it's the fire alarm.
You're right.
Oh no, it gave me a heart attack. Let's go outside. Is everyone okay?
Yes, everyone is okay. Isn't that right, Max?
That's right.
I think the principal said it's time to go inside.
When they got inside,
Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay.
Warning. One of the teachers pulled the fire alarm, but it was Miss Green in the whole time.
Holy crap!
It's Miss Green in the whole time.
Wow, you guys figure it out by yourselves. I did that because you are all stupid.
Don't call us stupid. That's not nice. What happens when we call you stupid just like you call us stupid? You're right. I can't call you stupid. I am sorry of what I have done. Can you forgive me? Of course we forgive you. We love you so much. Really? Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, I'll agree with him. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Thank you. Thank you.
the end.
Don't pull the fire alarm, because you will go to jail.